Hello guys, I'm Rajiv and welcome back to my channel RajivCodeLab. So guys, in today's lab, I'm going to show you how to set up MQTT broker on your Windows machine. So guys, for this video, we are going to use Mosquitto MQTT broker and we are also going to use Node-RED for testing the broker by publishing and subscribing from the Node-RED. So stay tuned and let's come to the PC and get it started. So guys, the first step is to download the Mosquitto. For that you can just type on the Google Mosquitto. And here you can, this is the official website. You can just click on the downloads here, and as per your operating system and like whether you have a 32-bit or 64-bit, you can choose. So mine one is like 64-bit. Okay, so I'm just downloading this. Now let me just come to this folder first, and here I need to run as administrator. Then service, then it will go to this C drive, program files and Mosquitto, or if you want you can change this, and let's install. Okay, so now we'll go to the C drive and program files, Mosquitto, and let me type mo. Okay, and here we have installed everything. So the next step is to just copy this path and open environment variable, and you need to put this in the system, not the user basically. So you need to add this path basically to the system path. Okay, this is the path. Okay, click on edit, click new and put here. Okay, click OK. Okay, so this is fine. Now next step is to open the services. Okay, and here just again you can search with mo, type here and mo. Okay, and then right click, properties, then you need to make it automatic. It's so by default already here, so that's fine, and here you can just make it a start. So now you can see it's running, right? So make it apply. Okay guys, so the next step is to open the command prompt and make sure you run as administrator. Okay, so here I have, and let me close this. This is also close. Okay, and here we can just verify whether everything is fine or not, Mosquitto is running or not. So for that we can just type here net stat -an and then str1883. so basically this is a port or by default port basically which MQTT, I mean Mosquitto MQTT is running. So yeah, we are good. Here we can see, and it's listening for our local host, so perfect. So we are good guys. Now we can use our MQTT and we can test in Node-RED. Okay, Node-RED. Okay, so let's, so as you can see, like this is built on Node.js. So basically Node.js first you need to have installed in your machine, so get it started. So for us, like we'll be using on our machine, so let it run locally, and here we can choose local computer, and for Windows we can just click here. Okay, and here we have a very simple version. Okay, like these are the prerequisite site for that we have to, let's check this. Okay, so first step is to this and check here node version. So we have version 18, so that's what it's saying. Okay, so version 18 at least we need to have, and then npm version also we need to check. So yeah, that is also 10.2.5, and like here minimum required is 9.5.0, so we are good. Now we just need to take this command, okay, and paste here and enter. Perfect. Now the next step is to just make it as Node-RED admin init, okay, so that it will ask some question. Okay, so it's okay, I think this this is not visible, but it basically if you can see, it's let me just select. Okay, still you can't see. So guys, let me just close this. Let's try now. Let me just abort this and try again, because like it was not visible, guys. So CLS, and let me just try. Okay, now you can see, right, clearly. So setting file is here. Now click enter, and that's saying already exists. You want to yes, overwrite, and we need to set the username and password also, guys, so that we'll choose user security. So here it's asking for the username, so I'm just providing admin. You can choose whatever you want, and password also I'm just making as admin. Okay, password to sort must be okay. Okay, so okay, now full access I'm giving. Okay, add another user, not for now, and this one is like allow to version control. Do you want to enable project feature? Yes. And here workflow we want to use manual, that's fine, and we are going to choose default theme. Later you can just make it as a dark or other, so let's make the default one. Yeah, that's fine. Allow functionals to load externally modules, yes. So now next step is to just type Node-RED start, and here you go, and you can see, guys, it's running on this port here, right? So let me just copy, and or you can just basically you see this port, right, 1880, so you can just type like this, localhost 1880. Perfect. Now you see the login screen. Now here you need to just provide your username and password, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, I just kept simple. Okay, perfect. Yeah, save it, and this will ask you for like initial thing, so you can just make it as a cancel, not required, and okay, not right now. So guys, from here basically we are going to publish and subscribe to our MQTT. Okay, so for that let's come to this network, and first we'll be publishing this. Okay, so here we publish, and the publish basically will trigger this inject. Okay, so let me just trigger. So basically this will trigger the date time, okay, on this. So what we are going to do is, yeah, let me just add new broker here. So broker name, let's say my MQTT, and that is a localhost, and port is like 1883, that is the default one, and other than that you can just leave as it is. You can just add, and here whatever topic you want you can just give. Okay, so for us, let's make as test, and QoS let's make a 0, and we are good, and let's put this way. Okay, so now what we are going to do, guys, we are there is a MQTT explorers. Okay, so just we can download MQTT explorer. So let me just download, and then I will tell you what you can do. So let's portable. Okay, it's like you can just click, and I mean it's a portable version, not installer. So yeah, so here what we are going to do, guys, we are going to subscribe the same. Okay, so from Node-RED we are going to publish, and from this Explorer we are going to subscribe the same topic, so that whatever we publish here we can easily, I mean, we can see like it's like publishing or not. Okay, so here let's make it as localhost, and let's not do this 1883 and connect. Okay, it's good. Now let's subscribe for the topic that was test. Okay, and from here also we can do, guys, we can also publish. Okay, so let me just test hello MQTT, it's raw, publish. Yeah, perfect. Here we can see. So let's see first from here. So basically here like once I trigger, okay, then I mean here we'll get the current date time. So for that first we need to deploy this, so we are good. So let me just trigger this, successfully injected. Now here you can see the current date time, right? So let me just make it a smaller, and then I can show you. You can see each time it's changing, right? Like 920, right? Perfect. Now what we can do is, now from here we'll publish basically, and here we are going to subscribe. Okay, so let me just not this one, let me just give the name as MQTT publisher, yeah, that's fine. Okay, now let's make for the subscriber. So for that we need to use MQTT in, and we need to see the basically the whatever the topic we get, that we need to see. For that we are going to use the debug. Okay, now let's make it here, and again we are going to use so basically once we have created that broker, that will come automatically. So that's we have selected, and again we'll make the 0, and topic is the test. Okay, and here we can make it as a MQTT subscriber. Perfect. And for the debug, let's make it here. Okay, now I'm going to publish from here, right? So test already I have given, now publish. Oh sorry, I have not deployed, so that's why it's not coming. So after that I need to deploy. Okay, now let me just try. Yeah, we can see here, right? Hello MQTT, how are you? Yeah, perfect. I hope you like the video, guys. If you really like, consider supporting me by just buying me a coffee on my Buy Me Coffee page. And also don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. We'll meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.